Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So today I have prepared a short and informative presentation. So in this video we will be covering popular figures of biology and just individuals you should know for basic knowledge. I hope you like the format, and if you have any suggestions, please feel free to write them in the comment section below. So without any further delays, let's start it off. So let's start off with who is the father of biology? The father of biology is accredited to Aristotle. The famous Greek philosopher is the first to explore aspects of the life of plants and animals. His systematic approach to classification and his use of physiology to uncover relationships between animals earned this title. Second, who is the father of zoology? Zoology is the study of behavior, structure, physiology, classification, and distribution of animals. The father of zoology is accredited to Aristotle. Aristotle is therefore recognized as the father of both biology and zoology due to his remarkable discoveries in these fields. Third, who is the father of botany? Botany is the study of plants, which includes their physiology, structure, genetic, ecology, and classification. The father of botany is accredited to Theophrastus. The student of Aristotle is known for his work on inquiry into plants and on the causes of plants. These large botanical treatises were the most important contribution to botanical sciences. Fourth, who is the father of paleontology? Paleontology is the study of history of life on Earth. This includes studying fossils, which are the remains of plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and single-celled organisms that have been preserved in rock forms. The father of paleontology is accredited to Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci used trace fossils to prove the marine origin of the sedimentary successions of the Apennines. Fifth, who is the father of medicine? Hippocrates, or Hippocrates of Cos, is accredited as the father of medicine. The great physician was contributed more than 60 medical documents and research. Today, his contribution to ethical practice of medicine is used in the Hippocratic Oaths. Sixth, who is the father of genetics? Genetics is the study of heredity and inherited characteristics. The father of genetics is accredited to Gregor Mendel. The mathematician discovered the basic principles of heredity through breeding of garden peas. This laid the mathematical foundation of the science of genetics. He is known to have formulated basic genetic laws, including the law of segregation, the law of dominance, law of independent assortment, which is also known as Mendelian inheritance. 7. Who is the father of immunology? Immunology is the branch of medicine and biology concerned with immunity. So, the title of father of immunology is accredited to Edward Jenner. The English physician and scientist pioneered the concept of vaccines. His findings led up to creating the smallpox vaccine. Fun fact, the term vaccine was derived from Varroa vaccinae to denote cowpox, which was a revolutionary finding in understanding human immunity. 8. Who is the father of modern immunology? The father of modern immunology is accredited to Louis Pasteur. His study in the late 19th century popularized the germ theory of diseases, and that introduced the hope that all infectious diseases could be prevented by prophylactic vaccination. He is also known as the father of bacteriology. 9. Who is the father of taxonomy? The father of taxonomy is accredited to Carlos Linnaeus. The Swedish botanical taxonomist who was the first person to formulate and adhere to a uniform system for defining and naming the world's plants and animals. 10. Who's the father of cytology? Cytology is a branch of biology concerned with the structure and function of plants and animal cells. Robert Hooke is accredited with the father of cytology title. The earliest phase of cytology began when the English scientist Robert Hooke's microscopic invention of cork in 1665. He observed dead cork cells and introduced the term cells to describe them. 11. Who's the father of histology? Xavier Bichat is accredited with the title of father of histology. The French anatomist and pathologist is known as the father of modern histology. Although he worked without a microscope, Bichat distinguished 21 types of elementary tissues from which the organs of the human body are composed of. 12. Who is the father of mycology? Mycology is the scientific study of fungi. The father of mycology is accredited to Antonio Michel. The Italian biologist is known to have discovered the spores of mushrooms and coined several important genera of microfungi, such as Botrytis. 13. Who is the father of microbiology? Microbiology is the branch of science that deals with microorganisms. Antonio Van is accredited with this title of father of microbiology. Antonio used magnifying glass to find irregularities in the cotton. He became interested in producing lenses, blowing the glass and grinding it down himself. The Dutch scientists used homemade microscopes to discover the invisible world of microorganisms. Number 14. Who is the father of Ayurveda? Ayurveda is the traditional Hindu system of medicine, which is based on the idea of balance in bodily systems and uses diet, herbal treatment, and yogic breathing. The title of Ayurveda is accredited to Chakra. Number 15. Who is the father of ECG? ECG is the abbreviation of electrocardiogram or electrocardiograph. William Einthoven is accredited as the father of ECG. The Dutch physician and physiologist invented the first practical electrocardiogram in 1895 and received the Nobel Prize in Physiology of Medicine in 1924 for it. Lastly, who is the father of embryology? Embryology is the branch of biology and medicine concerned with the study of embryos and their development. The father of embryology is accredited to Carl Ernst. So that's all for this video. If you found it informative, please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon. This way you will be notified whenever I post. This is Amateur Learner signing off.